Hello everyone, I'm now at Casa James apartment here at the City Hall. And for today's video, I'm going to tour you to my accommodation. And this place is Casa James, guys. They have, this is like huge place out there, but I am here at my accommodation. So this is my accommodation right now. And I'm going to tour you inside here. And let's see what is it inside of this Casa James apartment, my accommodation. But this Casa James is huge area. They have pool there, they have many places for there, but I'm going to tour you just in my room, guys. So this is what you got. It's very beautiful flowers there, and I have roses here, and oh, my favorite malunggay. My favorite malunggay is here, guys. Look at that malunggay there. We have roses also. So later, I'm going to tour you to the whole Casa James. But for now, I'm just gonna tour you in my accommodation. So this is my accommodation. So in front of it, this is what it looks like. So here, here, someone is living in that area, but I'm here in this area. So let's go inside. You're gonna step down here. One, step up. One, two, two. So this area, we have a chair and a chair and a table, and you can hang out here. I'm just alone, so alone here, so this is big for me. And we have this area and fire extinguisher. We have the Wi-Fi, and this is it here. So if you're open it up. Of course, they have rules here. Check-in time. Lock the room every time you leave. Blow keys. Ayan. Please ensure the lights and air cons are switched off like that. So, yeah. Restaurant is open. They have restaurant here. So, 7 a.m. to 8. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Any question and concern? Go to and choosing Casa James. So this is no noise price 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. So no noise. Gate are open at 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we are going to enter right now. Which is the floor is very clean, guys. I like the floor right here because it's very clean. So when you go enter inside, this is what you're gonna see. I booked a deluxe room, so it's two, but I'm alone, so maybe one of my bags will sit, will be in that area. So two beds, but I'm alone, so this area will be my bags area. That's my stuff, my bag. They have aircon, and they have also a fan here, fan, and they have the cabinet. Yeah, here. This, you got the mirror. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Welcome to Casa James. Hello. 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 So they have two cabinets, one and one. And then this area is the bathroom area. The toilet, we have the rack here, and the shower. So, shower area. Oh, tiles. I like this kind of tiles. Maybe I'll change our tiles at home so that it will look so good also. Toilet. So, And you can have this for a very affordable price here, guys. So, yeah, somewhere in Sikihor. If you wanted alone time here, this is a perfect place for you to be. This area is really good for alone time. Here, yeah, I am double now. I have my other self there, the mirror. My other self at the mirror. So welcome to Sikihor. Welcome to Casa James apartment here in Sikihor. And later on, I'm going to explore the pool, their bar. They have restaurants here. They got everything you need. So it's very good. There's a fan if you don't want the aircon. So you can switch on the fan. So that's it, guys. And yeah, and we will going to explore Sikihor soon. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to take a video of every place that I will go to. So hi, Che. I'm just using my phone to take a video, guys. Hi, everyone. By the way, thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next time, see you again on my next video. This is Che saying, ingat lagi and God bless from Sikihor, Philippines. Mwah! Bye-bye!